Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we are going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So this first one, it looks like someone is making some wall art with some moss. Now this is like very restoration hardware inspired. Actually, it seems like a pretty simple, easy project to replicate. A lot easier than I would think it would be. You see these all the time at restoration hardware too. Moss is also like very inexpensive to buy. Oh, she put a little light at the bottom. Okay, yeah, this is very restoration hardware. This is so cute. It's like a little wall sconce, actually. Wow, very creative. Very cool idea. Definitely gave this space like a nice little like high-end feel too. Alright, so we're at the store with someone for the next one. It looks like they might be doing some type of canvas piece here. Another beautiful modern design. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like their closet. Looks so relaxing. All the neutral colors. This person loves neutrals. You can even tell like their closet is filled with like neutral colors and hues. I'm sorry, but I need a little bit of color, just a splash of color. So here we have an action DIY. These are always fun to watch. So they bought a bottle and then they have some little wooden pieces here. Looks like she's going to spray paint. If you can, always try to do your spray painting outside. Like she's taking a big risk doing this indoors. Like I know she has the box here, but the fumes alone are reason enough to like do it outside. Or if it's cold, do it in like the garage. Oh, it looks like she's making a reed diffuser. Oh, very nice. I feel like that would actually be pretty fun to make your own and then have like the fragrance going. That's pretty cool. Ooh, look at this s'mores tray. Oh, that looks so good. I'm so hungry right now too. Add a tabletop fire pit. This is like a cute little idea. The strawberries. Oh, that looks so yummy. This would be a cool idea too if your kids were having like a sleepover, give them like a nice little activity to do. This is really cute. And then we have this Z Gallery inspired vase. So this is an easy one as well. You're just buying the cylinder, spray painting it white, and then going in with the gold beads. Obviously you can get like the wooden beads and spray paint those gold. Very easy project idea. Yeah, that was an easy one to replicate. Very cute. And it looks just like the original too. Perfect little dupe. Very nice. Okay, so we have some piping here. Oh, it's a Mario theme. Oh, that's cute. Probably for like a kid's birthday party or something. Oh, they got name cards. This is adorable. I love this idea. Very fun. Mario mustache straws. That is cute. So much creativity here. Alright you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.